So hello everyone. Today we are going to have the topic of integration class 12th, and that is indefinite integral. So there will be no limits in that. Okay, so we'll go through this. What is integration? That is actually the anti-derivatives. Okay, I will make you understand, and we will go through some formulas here. Okay, what are the formulas? So you see the first one will be like if we have to integrate what we did in the differentiation, even we did it. So we will write like this: integration of x to the power n with respect to x. So we will write like see this integration and dot dx. So whatever is here, that is to be integrated with respect to x. Got it? So this is like an operator actually, this integration sign and dx. So this is operator, okay? Whatever is here, for example, sin x is here, so we have to integrate sin x. Okay, you got it? Okay. Now, what I will do here, what is the integration of x to the power n? So that is nothing but that will be x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, so this is the integration. You see, I will take an example here also. For example, if I write here that I have been given y is equal to x to the power of 4. Okay, okay. So now we have to integrate it. So what will be the integration? That will be x to the power 4 dot dx. If you compare here x to the power 4 with x to the power n, so n is equal to 4, isn't it? N is 4, so it will become x to the power n plus 1, that is 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1. So this is the answer, which is 1 over 5 x to the power 5, isn't it? You got it, huh? But one thing, if I will tell you here that what is the differentiation? So this is the opposite, this is the inverse of differentiation, that is called integration. So if I write here, what is the differentiation of, so this is x to the power 5. So differentiation of x to the power 5 is how much? So you will write here 4, sorry, 5x to the power 4, isn't it? And into x to the power n minus 1. But if I write here, what is the differentiation of x to the power 5 plus, for example, a constant 10? Still the differentiation will be what? You will put difference, take differentiation of this and this. So this will be 5x to the power 4 and plus 10 is 0, isn't it? It means that this differentiation of x to the power 5 is also this thing, and differentiation of x to the power 5 plus something is also this thing. So whenever we take the integration of this, I should get it back. Integration of this, I should get it back. But we have some constant, always added. So for any constant added, we will get the same answer. So whenever we do like integration of anything, for example, I'm writing here k dot dx, and we will be doing the differentiation. For example, I got like L, so we'll put a constant of integration, that is C. So here we will put plus C. So here plus C, that is the constant of integration. Okay, so with time you will understand this, you will get it. And what is the basic formula you got here? So x to the power n integration is, that is x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, another example, if I will take it here. So what I writing y is equal to 6x to the power of 3. Simple I am taking. So this will become integration 6x cube dot dx. So it will become 6 is a constant, it is getting multiplied, it will come out. Okay, so that is 6 times x to the power n plus 1, 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. So you got 6 times of 6x to the power 4 over 4. So you got 3 over 2x to the power 4. So this is the integration. Now I will tell you the all the formulas which is required in indefinite integrals, and then we will solve some questions. So this is today's agenda in this class of mine. Okay, so let's start and let's go to the next page. So here I am getting one thing. I will go to the second formula. So the second formula is, whenever you want to find the integration of 1 by x, remember this thing, keep this in your mind. For example, that is log x and plus c. If I have like integration of e to the power x dot dx, so that will be e to the power x plus c. I told you in the previous class, even differentiation of e to the power x and integration of e to the power x, they both are actually same. Okay, so you cannot divide and integrate, like differentiate and integrate this. Now we have integration of a to the power x dot dx. So this is very simple. That is a to the power x over log a with the base e. So that will be here, and plus c will be always there. A constant of integration will be always there. Now integration of some trigonometrical ratios, that is like cos x functions dot dx, so that is sin x, because you see whenever you will find the in differentiation of sin x, you will get what, that is cos x, huh? So the integration of cos x is sin x. Okay, similarly the we will go with, like, for example, differentiation integration of sin x dot dx, so that will be negative cos x. And some more trigonometry, that is sec square x dot dx. So you know that the differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So the integration of sec square x will be tan x plus c. If we have here at the eighth number, that is differentiation of what is for cosec square? Cosec square dot dx. If you remember that, so don't worry, that is minus cot x plus c. You have to remember all these things, okay? Let me remove this from here. Okay. So the ninth number will be integration of now sec x 10x dot dx. You tell me what is the differentiation of so sec x 10x is the differentiation of what? Okay, that is correct. Now that is of sec x. So the integration of sec x dot 10x will be sec x back. Okay, so the 10th number, if you can see here, like I'm coming to the bottom of the page, so that is cosec x, and you know that cosec x cot x dot dx. So what will be the integration of this? That is nothing but negative cosec x plus 10x. Okay, now some more I will tell you here. 11, so integration of, that is 1 over 1 minus x square and an under root on this. So this will be how much? If you remember, tell me. That is sine inverse x plus c. Or you can also say this one as, because if you put a negative sign, you will get cos inverse. So, or it will become cos inverse x plus c. Got it? Now we will go to the 12th one, and that is integration of, what I do here, I put 1 over 1 plus x square dot dx. Put dot dx here even, don't forget that. So you see, 1 plus 1 plus 1 over 1 plus x square, that is the differentiation of what? Yes, tan inverse x. So its integration will be tan inverse x. So this is tan inverse x plus c. Or if I put a minus sign, then it will become what? Minus, or you can write here minus cot inverse x plus c. Similarly, we have here, don't worry, we have here one more thing, and that is, you know what? Integration of 1 over x times of under root x square minus 1. And if you remember this, what is this one? So this is for cosec, huh? So that is sec inverse x plus c, or minus cosec inverse x plus c. So you have to put these things in your mind and nothing else. I will change the color. Why? Because I will tell you one thing here at the 14th number, that whenever you have to do the, you see, you have integration of a function. You got something. Now again, you are differentiating that. So you are differentiating an integration. So you put here d by dx. So differentiation of integration of a function is equal to the function. You will get it back, huh? This is simply like this. If you are having 5, you are adding something to this, like you are adding 6 to this, and at the same time you are subtracting 6 from it, you will get 5 back. You will be not like changing anything, huh? So this is a rule, that differentiation of integration is always the same function. And one thing, if I can write here, that the integration of, there is a constant k getting multiplied with a function, okay, dot dx. So this k will be coming out, integration of u dot dx we will be doing. And if we have a lot of like integration together, so we can like separately do integration of everything. Okay. So these things will be like you will get all these things when we will be like doing some questions. So I will take some easy questions and how that question comes, I will tell you. So there you will get everything. You see, I'm going like let me like you take another page here. Okay. Okay. So see, what I was saying here is that question number one, simple question, very simple. What is the integration of 5x to the power minus 1 dot dx? So this will be what? So you can write like integration of 5 multiplied by 1 over x dot dx. 5 is a constant. It will come out 5 integration of 1 by x dot dx. What is the integration of 1 by x? Tell me. Yeah, that is correct. So that is 5 log x and plus c. You will be right here. You will be writing. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going ahead and I will tell you here that we have a question, a very simple question. What is the integration of sine x? Tell me. Dot dx. You will say this like I just wrote the formula and you will remember this. Like integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. Very great. That is done. But if I will give you another question here, that what is the integration of sine 2x dot dx? So what will be your answer? Think on this. Think on this. Don't worry. I will tell you. See, here, like what we will be like using in the whole integration journey, that I want you to understand one thing very important for such a question. Here, what you do, you consider something that let 2x is equal to t. Got it? Now, when you considered like 2x is equal to 2, so do you differentiate both the sides? So the differentiation of 2x will be 2 and dt will be t will be dt over dx. From here, what is the value of dx? So dx is equal to dt over 2. Isn't it? Isn't it? You will say yes. So this dx over dx value, you got it. So put it back into the question. Our question was this. So that is integration of sine 2x is t. So sine t dot dx is dt over 2. You got it. So this 2 is a constant. We can take it out from the integration. So 1 by 2 times of integration of sine t dot dt. Now you tell me what is the integration of sine t. You know that that is negative cos t. So 1 by 2 times negative cos t plus c. Or you can see 1 by 2 cos t will, so negative 1 by 2, a negative I took it out. Cos t, you put the value of t here, that is 2x. So cos 2x. This is the integration. You did it finally. But what I do, we will be doing actually, remember that thing. I am writing in white color here that for such a question, whenever the variable has something as a multiplier, you see that multiplier came here 2 at the bottom, isn't it? So you have divided it. So it will become like this, that whenever you have integration of sine 2x dot dx, so do nothing, integration of sine the angle. So sine angle is what? Sine theta is what? The integration, that is negative cos of that angle, cos 2x. Now divide by that multiplier. Okay, that is by 2. So you don't need to do all these things. Always you remember this thing, you will directly you can find this. So the same thing is here. Negative cos 2x over 2. Got it. I will take some questions on this. You don't worry, and you will be doing this question. One question is for you here, and try that and see this question number 4. I had, so the function is given as 1 by 3 cos 4x. Integrate this with respect to x. What will be your answer? Take your time and let me know that. So, okay, very great, very great. So I will be doing this here. Don't worry. See what I'm going to tell you. Again, you can take 4xst and you will be doing everything. I will do both the method here again, okay? But you see, directly if I will do, it will become 1 by 3 is a constant, it will come out. So integration of cos 4x dot dx, okay? And now 1 by 3 So cos 4x, what is the integration of cos 4x? Like cos theta is how much? That is cos theta is sin theta, isn't it? So it will become sin 4x. But this x, the variable is getting multiplied by something, so divided by 4. So your answer will be 1 by 12 sin 4x plus c. How simple was that? Let me know that. So you don't need to like always like consider it as like t. Like I will do this in the form of t even. What I will do here again, that let 4x is equal to t, differentiating both the sides. So it will become 4 is equal to dt over dx. So from here dx is equal to how much? That is dt over 4. Put this thing in the integration. So integration of 1 by 3 dot cos 4x, that is cos 4x. 4x is t I have considered, so that is cos t dot dx is dt by 4. You see dt by 4 and 1 by 3, 1 by 4 we have, that will become come outside. So that is 3 multiplied by 4 integration of cos t dot dt, or 1 by 12. Cos t is how much? That is sin t plus c. Done, 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 done. 1 by 12, and cosine t is nothing but sine 4x, because you considered t as 4. You see here? Isn't it? How simple was this? Okay. So in this way, we have to solve questions directly. Whenever there is a multiplier in a, like in the variable, you will divide it in the integration of that. Let me see if I have another question for you. Yes, yes, yes. There is a very simple question. I will go to another page for that question, and question number 5. The question number 5 says that find the integration of sec 5x dot tan 5x dot dx. Hey, how will we do this, huh? So what, see, our theta is sec theta, tan theta. So what is that? Sec x cos x, sec x tan x. What is the integration of that? So the integration of that is sec 5x, isn't it? Done. We have integrated it. We have integrated it. So it will become now what? That, but it has 5. The variable is multiplying by 5. So divide by 5 even. So the final answer I will write like 5x sec 5x. 1 by 5 times sec 5x plus c. This is the integration. Got it? I will go to the question number 6 here. I have a question. Find the integration of cos 5 minus 3x. Simple. Again, the same thing. You see dot dx. Oh, so what you do, nothing. Cos something. Cos something is sine something. That is sine 5 minus 3x. But the variable is getting multiplied by 3. So divide by 3. This is the integration. Plus c. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? If not, I will do this in the another method, another way also. Even you see that what I will do, I will consider that let 5 minus 3x is equal to t. Okay, so differentiating both the sides. So 5 is 0 minus 3 is equal to dt by dx, because we are differentiating with respect to x both the sides. So from here dx is equal to what? Dx is equal to negative 1 by 3. It will come down now, dot dt. Okay, so this is our x dx, and I will put this dx here in the equation, in the integration. So our integration will become in yellow color. That integration of cos 5 minus 3x is our t. So cos t dot dx is our minus 1 by 3 dot. So minus will come out, and actually minus 1 by 3 will come out. Dt will become, so that is dt. So cos t dot dt is how much? You know that cos t dot dt is sine. So that is sine t plus c. This is your answer. Now put the value of t here, negative 1 by 3. And so the sorry, here negative will be here. Huh? I forgot that thing. Sine t will be sine t is 5 minus 3x. Plus c. You got the same answer. Huh? So whenever is a variable is having a multiplier, you divide it at the end. Okay. So this is what how we do some integrations. Okay. I have a question for you again here. A next question. See this. Try it. Try it. Try it. And that is question number 7, I think. The integration of what we have 2 sine pi by 2 minus x by 2 dot dx. Okay, so how can I do this? So this will be done by, like you see, what can any one of you tell me what is sine 90 minus theta? So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. You know this, huh? Class 10th. You might have gone through trigonometry. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So it will become like, I can write 2 cos theta. Theta is our x by 2. So cos x by 2 dot dx. And now if someone will ask you that, what is the, so how can we do this? Can you do this? Yes, we can do this. Like, see, integration of 2. 2 will come out, integration of cos x by 2 dot dx. So you see, integration of cos is sine. So that is to sine x by 2. But the multiplier of the variable, that is 1 by 2, will be also here, plus c. This is the answer. Or you can do, this 2 will go up, it will become 4 sine x by 2 plus c. And this is the answer. Got it? So in this way, we have to solve the equations. Got it? Okay. So now, let me know that if you are getting it. So let me know that. We will go to the another question now. So I have a lot of questions for you. Don't worry, don't worry. Huh? So I will take some like identities I can do here, like sine square x. So let me do question number 8. What is the integration of sine square x dot dx? For sine square x dot dx, if you know, let me know that a formula for sine square x. How can we remove that square from there? Okay, I will write here. See, one thing, remember that 2 sine square x or theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2x or theta. And if we have 2 cos square x here, so that will be 1 plus cos 2 theta. Huh? And one more thing, if I can write here, these are the equations, trigonometrical like equations for uh, making the angle twice or half. Okay, you can see the angle is x here, the angle is 2x here. Okay, now if I am writing here that we have 2 sine x cos x, so that is equal to sine of 2x. You see the angle was here like x, and it become like twice here 2x. Okay, so these are some like trigonometrical important formulas you always must remember and put inside your mind for always. So what we can do, we can use this one here for our question. So I can rearrange this as integration of sine square x. I will multiply this by 2 sine square x. I can divide it by 2 also. So I will write 1 by 2 at the outside dot dx. So I got it, this one. So it will become what? 1 by 2 integration of 2 sine square x, that is 1 minus cos 2x. Okay, dot dx. Now separately you integrate it. 1 by 2, let it be outside. So that is 1 dot dx integration and minus integration of cos 2x dot dx. And it will become 1 by 2, and so dx integration of 1 dot dx, how much is that? Okay, okay, don't worry, I will tell you. You see, integration of 1 dot dx. So that we can write it integration of x to the power 0 dot dx, because x to the power anything raised to the power 0 is 1. Huh? So now use the formula x to the power n, that is x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. So it will become x to the power 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1. Done, 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 done. So this will become x to the power 1 over 1. That is what? That is nothing but x plus c. So x is the integration of 1. So this will become x, okay, minus, what is the integration of cos 2x now? So that we know that that is sine 2x. But there is a multiplier with x, that is 2. It will be going to the division. So this is the answer. Or you can rearrange this as x over 2. I'm multiplying this half by each term, and minus 1 by 4 sine 2x plus c. This is the answer finally. Got it? So you see, in this way we have to do integrations actually, and see the trigonometric ratios you have to, it will be used here in integration a lot. I am telling you. So don't forget the integration. don't forget, sorry, the integration formulas and the integration, the trigonometrical formulas, the identities, the equations. Okay, so always remember them, never forget, because without them you cannot solve. I'm going to the next question here. That is question number 9. Mine, that question I have, like question number 9. We can go with cos square x even. So I have, so if you know this formula, that is sine cube x, but that will be again easy for you. But still, if I will take this sine cube x integration, how can you do this? Don't worry, there is a formula again in trigonometry, and that formula I will write for you, that whenever you have 4 sine cube x, that is equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Remember this thing. So 4 sine cube x is equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Okay. So from here, if you find sine cube x, you can find out. So that will be how much? Put it here. I've been putting it in green color. So this is integration of sine cube x. That will be 3 sine x minus sine 3x divided by 4 dot dx. We can separately integrate now. So integration of 3 by 4 sine x dot dx minus 1 by 4 integration of sine 3x dot dx. Isn't it, huh? Okay, so it will become like 3 by 4 will come out. Sine x. What is the integration of sine x, huh? That is negative cos x. So I will write negative here. So negative cos x. Done. Now minus 1 by 4 is a constant. It will become what? Sine 3x is what? That is negative cos x. So negative negative is positive. I will put it here. So it will become cos 3x, and 3 is a multiplier here. It will come down at here at the bottom. Why I wrote 4 there? That is wrong. Huh? It will become 3 because 3x is there. So I wrote 3 and plus c. Done, 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 done. You are done with your answer actually. So 3 by 4 cos x and plus 1 by 12 cos 3x plus c. This is the integration. Got it? So in this way, we have to solve questions. In this way, we have to do questions. There is one more question I had written for you. And that is like somewhat, again, it will be telling you that you know these trigonometrical formulas or not. So these will be always required here in integration in the questions. And they will give you questions in ICSE for this always. Okay. I'm going to the next question, and that will be the last question for today. Okay. So that is question number 10. And the integration of that is what I have written, sine squared x cos squared x dot dx. What do you think? How can we do this? Can you solve it? Let me know that if you can solve. Okay. Okay. See. What you do, you divide it by 4 and multiply it by 4. Why? Because I will tell you later that you write it like this, that I am multiplying this by 4. So 4 sine square x cos square x and divide it by 4. I can do division and multiplication on the same thing always. For example, 5 is here. I'm multiplying it by 4 and I'm dividing it by 4. What is the value? It is still 5. Huh? So we can do, I'm doing an operation and I'm doing the inverse operation at the same time. So I'm getting the same thing. Okay. So what I will do here now, that what benefit I got, this 1 by 4 will come outside, but I will get integration of this 4 sine square x square, sine square x and cos square x, that become 2 sine x cos x is whole squared, isn't it? And I told you one thing, that 2 sine x cos x in trigonometry, you might have gone through this, that is sine of 2x. Got it? Remember this, never forget this one. Okay, so I will be solving it ahead now. So 1 by 4, and I will write time 2 sine x cos x. I can write it sine 2x. So am I correct? Yes, like yes, the question is correct. So 2 sine 2x whole squared dot dx, isn't it? So that's why I divided it by 4 actually. But let me see if I have done any mistake. Yeah, the square of 2 is 4, sine square x, cos square x, everything is fine up to here. Now, what is the square, like what is the integration of sine 2x square? We just did this, huh? We just did this. So you tell me, if I am telling you that we have sine square x. So what is the formula for that? That is 1 minus cos 2x over 2. We will use this formula of trigonometry here with red color. So this will become 1 by 4 integration of sine 2x. I can write sine 2x. So not sine 2x, actually sine x squared, sine square x, this formula, okay? So it will become 1 minus cos, the angle became twice here. This becomes 2x. So I can write this, our angle is 2x already, it will become 4x over 2. Simple, the square is gone now. Do the integration and I know that you can do this now. So it will become 1 by 4 is already at the outside. This 2 also you take it here times 2. So integration of 1 dot dx separately I am doing, okay? Minus integration of cos 4x over 2 dot dx. Done. You are done now. That becomes here. Should I change the color? Yeah, I will go with yellow color now. So this will become 1 by 8 and inside 1 dot dx. What is the integration of 1? I told you that is x simply minus. What is the integration of cos 4x? So this will become 1 by 2. You take it out and cos 4x, that is sine 4x. And this 4 is a multiplier with x here. So it will become here with 4. Okay. So done, 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 done. So it will become 1 by 8 x minus 1 by 8 times 1 by 8, 1 by 64 sine 4x. Let's see. If you got it, you let me know that. If you didn't get, you let me know that. But this is the answer, I think. If I have done any mistake, I will let you know that. 4 twos are 8. 1 by 8 is already outside. Okay, okay, okay. I have done a mistake, I think. I have done a mistake. That mistake is actually why I have written this 2 here. This 2 should not be here, okay? Because I have already taken it out. So it will not be here. So I will do it again. Don't worry. Don't worry. It will not take any time. Okay. So what I'm going to do, because I had taken this 2 already outside is 1 dot dx and cos 4 dot dx. Cos for 4x. So it will become 1 by 8 and here it will become x minus cos 4x over 4. Like what I'm doing? Sorry, So this will become cos 4x is equal to nothing with the integration of that is sine 4x. Sine 4x over 4. Because 4 is a multiplier here. So you are done. You are done, done, done. And plus c, you put it here. So it will become x over 8 minus sine 4x over 8 times 4 is 32 plus c. This is the final answer of the integration of sine squared x and cos squared x. Got it? So what we went through today, you see, if I will go with this, all these things that first we went through like the integration formulae. What are the formulae here? We can see that that is x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, 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 okay. So very nice. And then I have written all the formula here and you go through this and we did 10 questions on this. Okay. We will be solving more and more questions on this. So my name is Tabish. Be with me, be connected. I will be like going through the each and every question, and whenever you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime during the session even. Okay. So have a great day. We'll meet in the next session very soon. Bye, bye, bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you.